Now, how can you reduce the brightness in the Apple Watch while sleeping, right? So, this is something a lot of people kind of struggle with, and I also wear my Apple Watch to track my sleep. So, what I basically do is at first pay attention to the brightness slider because either on the Apple Watch itself or on the iPhone in the Watch app, you can choose from three levels of the brightness. So you can essentially make it go lower, right? You don't have to have it at the maximum brightness. That would be the first thing. But then what I also do before wearing the Apple Watch in bed is that I enable the sleep focus mode. So I just tap on the side button for like the control center to pop up, tap on the focus, and choose the bed or the sleeping focus mode. And this just makes sure that the Apple Watch doesn't light up when I don't want to. Obviously, I can press the screen or, the digital crown to make it light up, but it's just not gonna shine during the night, which could disrupt the sleep, right? So this is something which is very useful. If you don't want to use the sleep focus mode, you can of course use a different one, or there is also the theater mode, which is designed with the same purpose. Like if you are in the movie theater, you don't want your Apple Watch to be disturbing anyone else, so the watch doesn't light up when you flick your wrist during the theater mode. So you can also have that turned on for your sleep if you want to. It's this like orange icon, and then it's not gonna light up randomly. So yeah, these are the options you have. Let me know in the comments below if any of this like helped. Subscribe for the tutorials similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.